if you use our import rates to do your tender pricing, our system can auto generate the tender analysis. Okay, let's say you want to see the overall the concrete volume or concrete cost, okay, or any the bigger items. You can go to the project analyzer here. We have resource analysis and schedule of rates analysis. Okay, so the general one is a schedule of rates analysis. If you click this one, you can see the what are the library, the schedule rate that you are using. But just now I'm using the master rates. You can see the total cost. If you double click, you can see what item are you using. Okay, formworks, reinforcement, and VRC. If you double click as the reinforcement, you can see what are the sizes of the reinforcement that you are using. Okay, and also the total quantity, total cost from the BQ from this project. If you want to see in detail, you can just double click here. You can see from which item and then from which bill. So this is a general analysis. And then if you want to more detailed analysis, you can go to the project analyzer, resource analysis. Okay, if you go to resource analysis, it will come up material, labor, plant. Okay, so you go to material, double click, you can see the concretes and plywoods and rebar, all this material. You can see the total cost. If you want to update the material cost, you can easily update here. Okay, for example, I go to the concretes, I double click. Okay, so you can see the rates actually is the rates of the material only. Okay, and you can see the total quantity and total cost. If you want to update, you can just update here. Let's say for this project, my supplier quote me 300. You can just update here, and then when you double click, you can see the rates is automatic change here. Okay, and you go back, and then you want to adjust your wastage also can. You can just adjust here. Let's say 3% wastage. Okay, and then you can go to others, resource. Let's say for plywoods. Okay, you can see automatic convert to pieces. Okay, so because your BQ in a meter square, and then but your build rates, you already build up how many pieces per meter square, so it will automatically generate how many pieces you need for this project. Okay, so I'll just go back. Okay, so you can just go to recalculate. Okay, and then the BQ will automatically updated. Let's say I double click. Just now I changed the formwork price. You can see the formwork price here. Double click, so you can see the VRC I changed to 300 and then 3% wastage. So you can easily update the material price and your resources easily, okay, during the tendering.